Hello everyone, this is Hector Perez and welcome back to HPL Gaming. Today we will be coming back to Animal Crossing New Horizons to be part of a great mechanic in the game that is hybrid flower breeding. What does this mean? Well, in Animal Crossing we can plant and grow different flowers such as roses, windflowers, hyacinths, tulips, lilies, pansies, and mums. In regular gameplay, if you plant flowers next to each other and water them, they will spawn new flowers of the same kind. However, you can have, in addition to the regular yellow, red, and white colors, other rare colors as well. Today, I will explain you how to set your flowers in a certain pattern. The trick here is that you have to plant them in a checkboard pattern. This means that you have to plant them diagonally to get better results. I have prepared this patch of land to prepare our hybrids. Let's begin. So as you can see, I am setting up this pattern of a checkboard which has 5 holes, and that's where we are going to plant our flowers. So let's begin with this red pansy sprout. And over here in the middle we're going to plant a yellow let's see, it's the yellow pansy. We're not going to use this hole at all, but we are going to use this one. We are going to plant another white pansy over here on the top, and we are going to plant another white pansy over here. The goal is that once that our sprout becomes a flower from the red and yet the yellow, we're going to get an orange pansy. And with the white and the white, it doesn't sound smart, but you're going to get a blue pansy over here or over here. The good thing is that because it's raining in my island today, I don't have to water them down because the rain is already watering down all the plants in my island. So we will come back in a couple of days and we'll see how this comes out. This is Hector Perez again with HPL Go. I hope to see you soon and stay safe. Bye bye.